Good morning. I'm First Alert meteorologist Michael Laudavino. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday and we made it into the weekend. Let's dive right into the forecast. Dry weather is on the way for most of North Texas. It's the very worst. We see a sprinkle or two as you move throughout this morning. Temperatures stay near the triple digits through about the next week. For this morning, again, we're into the upper 70s to the 80-degree mark. Later today, we're into the middle 90s. Our actual temperatures by next week for sure. We'll get into the triple digits. What you'll notice outside for this morning, as well as for the weekend, strong southerly winds. We're seeing some gusts already at DFW Airport at 31 miles per hour, and this will be the case as we move throughout the day as well. We're seeing those winds be gusty today, and this trend will continue into about Sunday and into Monday. Looking outside this morning into East Fort Worth, we're seeing a lot of clouds outside, and that's pretty much all I have on the First Alert satellite and radar. A few light sprinkles, a few light showers across our Red River counties. Otherwise, it will be a dry start to your Friday. Temperatures are still warm as we start our day. 78 in Denton, 78 in McKinney, 75 right now in Claiborne, and 76 across Waxahachie. Notice our winds will stay pretty gusty hour by hour throughout the day. We're seeing some gusts between 25 to as much as 30 miles per hour. And I think the winds get even stronger into this weekend. Take a look at these winds gusting between 30 to 35 miles per hour for Saturday through the Monday timeframe. And then it looks like those winds will gradually start to die down as we move ahead into the Tuesday timeframe as our opposite pressure systems will start to make their way a little bit further separated from each other. Take a look at this. This is why we have the stronger winds. We have low pressure to the northwest, high pressure pretty much very close to us. So the change in pressures causes a tight pressure gradient in between the two systems. You have counterclockwise flow around low pressure, clockwise around high pressure. So you also have opposite wind directions. So in turn, as a result of that, we're getting stronger winds at the surface. High pressure continues to dominate our weather pattern and increase our temperatures into next week. What I want to also point out for next week, we're going to see some Saharan dust building in off of Africa, making its way into the Gulf by this weekend and then into our area as we move ahead into Monday. All that's going to do for us will make us have some nicer sunrises and sunsets. They'll look a little bit prettier and more colorful, but what you also need to keep in mind is the Saharan dust may limit our air quality as well, especially for those who are in the unhealthy for sensitive groups category. And one more thing, it keeps our rain chances limited area wide. So let's talk temperatures for the next 10 days. I mean, this will be pretty much the only story we have. We're going to be pretty much dry for the next 10 days as well. Temperatures continue to warm up to the triple digits by early next week, and then we're into the 90s by the second half of next week as well. Let's talk about our future feels like temperatures into this weekend. Take a look at this. Feeling like 102 by the second half of the day for today. Into your Saturday, feeling like the upper 90s to the triple digits. And then looking ahead to Sunday, more of the same. You're noticing that trend. Triple digit feels like temperatures on the way for this weekend. Let's talk about your weekend forecast. Partly cloudy for your Saturday, 97 degrees, 99 by Sunday, a little bit brighter. And then we're into the triple digits by next week. Take